Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can remove this annoying message that says shipping calculated at checkout. Now if you want to remove it, it's very easy to do that. So first thing you need to do, guys, you just need to log in into your Shopify dashboard. Okay, that's exactly what you guys need to do to remove this shipping calculated at checkout. Now after you are on the Shopify dashboard, as you can see, now this is going to be different from if you live, for example, in a country where for example Africa, this dashboard is going to be different. Like you will not see this finance button. Anyway, the same process. Okay, so what you guys need to do, you want to click here, it says online store. Okay, you want to click on online store, and after that you want to scroll down. Okay, click on these three little dots here, and then you want to then click on edit default theme content or edit languages, whatever you see there at the very bottom. Click on it, and then after you are on this page, what you guys need to do now, you want to search for shipping calculated. Okay, now after you search for shipping calculated, taxes included, discounts, shipping at discount, like and after that you want to then remove this shipping calculated and replace it with something like free shipping. Okay, free shipping, something like that. Here again the same thing, replace it with free shipping. Okay, also the same thing here, replace it with free shipping. Also the exact same thing. Okay, replace it with free shipping. After you are done, guys, you make sure you save your changes. Click on save. And that's exactly, guys, how you can remove this annoying text that says shipping calculated at checkout. Now make sure if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments your questions. I will reply to you guys within a few minutes. Drop a like and see you guys in the next one.